they did such a good job eating all the food I gave them. It's pretty much all gone. There's a few more cranberries, a couple halves of apples, partly eaten. And there's Kip eating out of the feeder. Good girl, Kip. So I've got some more food I'm gonna give them since they ate pretty much everything I gave them 2 days ago. Some just various bits of food here. Some eggshells and some pepper parts from fresh peppers and dried chili de arbol peppers. I really like to save the seeds from chili peppers. Chickens love seeds, and as I've mentioned before, giving them peppers, it deters rodents, so it's kind of a win-win. Hi, Kippy. The other girls are still hiding because they think I'm gonna drop more food. Here they come. Don't be scared. That's all the food. I'm not dropping any more. Good girls. Good girls. Yeah.